Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping parts and backups so nothing interrupts the upgrade. Power down the Xbox One X, unplug every cable, and wait 60 seconds. This prevents power rail issues while you work. Remove the outer shell using a plastic pry tool and Torx T8/T10 for screws. Once opened, ground yourself to avoid static damage and confirm you have a compatible 2.5 SATA SSD or an NVMe in a USB 3.0 enclosure. These choices affect speed and installation method, so pick the correct form factor now. Once you have the SSD and cloning tools, connect the new drive to your PC via USB 3.0 and run cloning software. Clone the entire Xbox partition table and all system partitions. This preserves licenses and saves. After cloning completes, power off, remove the original drive from the bracket, and install the SSD in its place using the same screws. This keeps thermal and mounting alignment. Then reconnect power and test boot. The console should detect the new drive. If it does not, recheck cable orientation and cloning. You finish by reassembling the chassis carefully, reinstalling screws, and reconnecting HDMI and power. Then perform a full boot and immediate system update so the console rebuilds caches and optimizes installs. Test by launching several games to confirm load times and stability improved. If something goes wrong, like no boot or missing content, stop, power down, and try recloning the original image or the SSD again. Also inspect SATA connectors and the cloned partition layout. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.